Yesterday, I was told that I am a girl and I have no right to be anyone or anything else. It is with pride that I will say that no tears fell down in front of that person, though my smile took a fall. My heart bursting out of my chest and into a searing fire. Anxiety is gripping to me like I have gripped a ticket home. I do not let them see me cry. I look up, teary-eyed but brave. Still, the train is late. When I was 5, which was about 13 years ago, I was told boys should act like men to conform to these arbitrary rules and let them define who I am. I look up at the man in front of me with puzzled eyes and questions that I knew should not reach his ears. I only wanted glitter in a plaything painted in colors of rose and carnation. Awfully, big hands pry them away. Just why was I refused of them? Then and there, like I was sure of denial, I knew that this would never be home. One day, the trains will come. Last night, I heard Ray's voices roaring like an unending thunderstorm was making itself feel at home in this hollow house that I could never bring myself to call as one. It is with a heavy heart that I will admit that they denied me sleep the same way I stayed late during high school, just wondering why the people who preach about this one accepting and all loving deity would call me a sinner for the way I don't feel the same way they do. The trains are loud on the tracks. When I was 13, which was 5 years ago, I met a boy. His skin was ivory, his cheeks flushed pink, and his lips were tinted in the same hue of blood. I looked at him, but I detest myself even more for the way he invaded my mind and gripped into my senses, leaving me sick and paralyzed. Unholy thoughts of him snake into my brain, leaving me with hate for my own skin. Every day, I pray to the man at the crucifix to fix me and cast away my faults. Nothing happened. I bought my train ticket, keep it in a box, not to be opened for the years to come. Today, I woke up in a body I did not like, in a house I could never call home, and finally cried. It's with shaking hands and sickly yearning that I came to realize that the only raised voice were the ones that have yet to leave my memories. Born a girl. I know that all well, but I'm not one. I don't feel like one. My phone is filing with unanswered messages, but I can't bear to look at it. What if I dislike what I see on screen more than I detest what it reflects? Where Where do the trains lead to? When I was 18, which is now, I finally come to terms with the truth that this is who I am. There is no changing my heart, and it is the flaw of the world and not mine that who I am is considered different. I check my bag. There is an unopened letter from my younger self. Carnation tinted ink stained in glitters and tears. There lies every questions he hoped I have the answer to. I hope I do. Hope they would lead us home. Tomorrow, celestial bodies will cycle along again, and I am doomed to move with them. I will shudder in the eyes, then in flames. Another storm greets me at my doorstep, but I grip onto hope. I grip onto maybe. Perhaps one day the thunder will begin to sound like applause to me. I am not a girl. I am not a boy. I have the right to be anyone I want to be. It is with pride that I can admit it boldly after far too many guilty sleepless nights. Maybe if I am brave enough, I'll buy one ticket to a place I can call home. The train is here. Ticket in hand. I board.